Hi guys, welcome again to my channel Basic Home Tech. If this is your first time watching Basic Home Tech, kindly press the subscribe button and the notification button so that anytime we release a new video, you'll receive a notification to watch. In this video, we are going to learn how to scan your TV for your digital antenna or digital terrestrial stations.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi guys, so we are going to see how you can set up your Nasco TV so that you can get access to your local digital terrestrial or antenna stations. So this is your RF connection. You have to look for the RF connection side of the TV. You have to look out for the RF in. So you connect your RF connector. When you are done, then you on your TV. As you can see, Nasco. You see that the stations has already been scanned, but then we are going to initiate the process again so that you will know how to do it on your own. When you look at your TV remote, you see source. As you can see, source. When you press the source, you see that we have satellite, DTV, and ATV. Now, what we are setting up is the DTV, the digital TV. The ATV stands for analog TV, which is no more working in Ghana because we've moved from the analog to the digital. And we have the satellite. The satellite has to do with the dish, so we use the up and down on the remote like this up and down. You have back forward, so you use the up and down. Then you make sure that the selector color, which is the yellow, is on the DTV. Then you press enter, which is the OK. So that means that the TV has been is at the DTV side. So that's where we are going to do our scanning. You will look on your remote and you find menu. You press the menu. You see that we have auto tuning. Auto tuning, that is automatic tuning. We have ATV manual TV and DTV manual TV. That is if you are going to scan for the stations manually. Then we have program edit, schedule list, signal information. We will go to the auto tuning or the automatic tuning. You make sure that your country is set to the right country that we are in, and since we are in Ghana, our country is set to Ghana. Then the tune type, we have DTV and ATV. We are searching for only the DTV, so you make sure that it's at DTV like this. Now, depending on the kind of TV or Nasco that you have, there are some that give you access to the digital type to select the digital type you want to scan. So we have DBT, DVB-T, then DVB-C. Now the DVB-C is cable, but then in Ghana we don't have the DVB-C, so always make sure that it is at DVB-T. Then so it's supposed to look exactly like this. Then when you are done, you just press the enter or the OK, and it will start scanning. So we will now have to wait for it to finish scanning. So here we are. As you can see, we are done. So when you press the enter on your remote, when you press the enter on your remote, all your scan stations will come. So these are your stations. So as you can see, we are done. So this is how to scan for your digital terrestrial or digital antenna stations. So stay tuned for more videos as we get to work on other TVs and set-up boxes too as well, so that you can know how to set up your TV and your digital box. Thank you.